In this video, we are going to see how we can delete a single or multiple YouTube channels that is associated with a single ID and that you have created accidentally, and now you want to remove that. Just keep in mind before heading over to the removing or deleting a channel process that this channel is extra and you are sure that you want to delete it. If you just want to test the functionality, you have to test it on a separate email before doing it on the real channel IDs. So with this said, let's move to the process. First of all, just click on the profile icon. No matter whatever channel you are signed into, you just click on switch account and you click on view all channels that is associated with that single ID, and you should be able to see all the channels here. From here, if you want to create multiple channels, you can create it from here. But in my case, we head over to the YouTube studio to whatever channel you want to delete. First of all, you switch account and select that particular profile. And then you head over again to this section and click on the YouTube studio. From here, we select settings and we go to the channel and click on the advanced settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. And from here, we click on remove YouTube content. It will ask you to verify your profile. So I'll just quickly mention those credentials. And after that, we get two options basically. Remove the YouTube content, or I want to permanently delete my content. Just click on I want to permanently delete that, but just make sure that this is your test channel ID like we see here. It shows the name suggestion as well here. And we select both of them to permanently delete all the comments, all the channel content and so on. Click on delete my content. So just read through it carefully and make sure that you want to delete it. Type your channel name. I'll type it here and click on delete my content. It's updating and it says your content is being deleted. So this takes a few minutes, and after that you should check your channel if it is deleted or not, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.